the issue of the 27 constituencies whose results, it is said, had not been included in the final tally before the announcement was made, keeps coming up. We have been told that, in fact, these 27 constituency results had been verified and tallied. But because of the commotion, somehow they would not be part of the announcement. But why did the chair, just before, when calm was restored, why would he not have included them? Because they had already been verified and tallied. Or did not include in the final so that they shouldn't be here bothering us? Why was it, where was the hurry this time? And already the results had been tallied and verified. Thank you, CJ.